In this video, I'll show you how to use custom mode in Suno AI. First, open your web browser, go to the Suno AI website, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click Create to open the music generation page. Next, turn on custom mode. This gives you more control over your song by letting you write your own lyrics, choose a title, and describe the style of music you want to create. Now, enter your lyrics in the lyrics box. Then add a title for your song and type a description in the style of music field. Include details such as the genre, mood, instruments, tempo, and vocal style to help Suno generate the type of music you're looking for. After that, review your settings and click the Create button. Suno AI will generate one or more versions of your song using your lyrics and the style you've selected. Finally, listen to the generated songs and decide which version you like best. If needed, edit your lyrics or music style and generate another version until you're happy with the final result. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use custom mode in Suno AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.